you maximize your algorithm. Oh, Mr. Kitten Grove. Mr. Kitten Grove.
Yeah.
Long night, eh, Mr. Kitten Grove.
Please subscribe.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Pardon the interruption. Welcome back to the channel. My name is DaveNatch. I speak stocks. Welcome back to another episode of Sunday's Stock List. In today's video, I'll feature 3 stocks for you to put on your stock list. The purpose of the stock list is for you to do your due diligence on the company, check out the historicals, check out the news, check out the charts, so on and so forth. Most importantly, add it to your trading account on your watch list, okay? Also, you're going to keep a daily log of the price action, where the stock opened, the high of the day, the low of the day, and where the stock closed. Also, the volume on the day. If the stock is making new higher highs, that's a positive indication of strength, okay? And in the inverse, if the stock is making lower lows every day, this one that tells you a lot of weakness, and it might be a no-go, okay? Let me cut the blather's kite and get into the place. Hope everyone is safe thus far and are ready to tackle Money Mondays. Let's get it. First stock I want you to put on your stock list, ICCC. ICC closed up 25% on Friday at 9.35. The range on the day was 7.45. That's the low, 7.45. High of the day, 13.20. 13.20. That's 100% move approximately. Okay, that's a day trader's dream. This kind of price action. Okay, this one has spikeability. Let's kick the tires. They were a market cap of 52 million. Their 200-day moving average is 584. The float, 5 million, okay? 29% of the float are insiders. Institution has 10% of the float. This is ICCC. Shorts has 0.19% of the float. Their revenue is 15 million. Revenue per share, 2.11. Their quarterly revenue growth year over year is up 25%. Their gross profit is 7 million, okay? Their EBITDA is a positive 1.31 million. Total cash in the bank, 6 mil. And their total debt, 11 mil. Their current ratio is 5.51. I like anything over 2. This one is healthy in the short term, 6 months to a year. This one won't be going bankrupt, okay? ICCC. Also, their operating cash flow is a positive 1.11 million. Put this one on your stock list this coming week. ICCC. Stock number 2, I want you to put on your stock list. But before I go there, let me take a commercial break. Sit tight. Who recall February the 29th last year? Robinhood had outage on the biggest Dow rally in years. The Dow rallied 7%. Robinhood traders was sitting on the sideline. Nothing they could do. The app was down. Sign up with my Webull link below. You'll get some free stocks. Trading starts at 4 a.m. sharp. Webull only, the way to go. Stock number 2 on your stock list this week, AMST. AMST closed up 4% on Friday at 442. The day's range, the low was 412. The high was 906. So you see the gyration there? Up over 100% movements, okay? AMST. The volume on Friday, a whopping 2.4 million. Compare and contrast that to their average volume of 83,000. Okay, pay attention. AMST, let's kick the tires. Their 200 moving day average is 455. 455. Watch for an impalement of 458 this coming week. Anything over 458 is a positive sign. Let's see what happens. They were a market cap of 90 million. 90 million. They have 9 million in the float. 56% of the float are insiders. Okay, this is AMST. Institution has 0.46% of the float and shorts has 0.14%. Okay, their revenue 162K. Their quarterly revenue growth year over year is up 1,330%. I will say that again. AMST quarterly revenue growth is up 1,330%. Let that sink in for a bit. Their growth profit 60K. No, this should be their gross profit. Their gross profit is 60K, okay? Total cash in the bank 16 million. Total debt, NA. Their current ratio is 10.49. 10.49 AMST. Second stock to put on your stock list this coming week. Third and last, but definitely not least, WAFU. WAFU. This one is out of China. And you know what the Chinese stocks could do? They could run for days. Let's see what happens. WAFU, they closed up 36% on Friday at 614. The range on Friday, the low was 485 and the high was $9 flat. Pay attention. The volume on Friday, 5 million. Compare and contrast that to their average volume of 227K. WAFU. Watch for a retracement to 512. 512, okay? That's your buying opportunity. They were a market cap of 20 million. Okay? Number of shares outstanding, 4.38 million. 78% of shares outstanding are insiders. 0.36% are institution and shorts has 0.29%. Okay? Their revenue is 6 million. Revenue per share is 1.31. Their quarterly revenue growth is up 27% year over year. This is WAFU. Third stock to put on your stock list. Let's kick the tires further. Their gross profit is up 2.29 million. Total cash in pocket 9 million. Okay, and their total debt 616K. Current ratio 3.53. Their operating cash flow is a positive 938K. 938,000. WAFU. That's all I have for you, ladies and gentlemen. You could go back to your Sunday dinner. Okay. Follow me on Twitter at The Petite. Last Sunday's big winner, AMC. Check out last Sunday's video, AMC. Okay. That's all I have. I'll see you tomorrow with Dave's Play. Money Mondays. Boom, bam. Make your next trade your best trade. into long-term hold. The stock is up 54% at 927. High of the day thus far. IDEX, IDEX. Okay, they came out with news regarding their EV taxi. Okay, they closed up 32% yesterday, and they're up 60% in the pre-market. There's heavy resistance at $1. They're at 98 cents right now. Okay, so you could watch for a pullback around 85 cents, 80 cents. Start a position, set yourself a stop loss, 10, 15%, 20% depends on your risk tolerance and the amount of money you're putting out up front. Okay, always stop. They closed down 1% at $16.33. I had a feeling it was overextended. Okay, there was an article on it saying their PE ratio is too high, so the stock went down, which is a good buying opportunity. Okay, because it's at support in the 15s is support. All right, so watch this one for tomorrow. All right, they opened up at 1930. The high of the day was 1940. I told you, heavy resistance at 20. Low of the day 1623. Okay, 37% of the float are institution, and shorts has 37% of the float. Let me say that again. Shorts has 37% of the float. This is a short squeeze potential candidate, AMC. All right, pay attention to this one. I think the low of the day was 1620. Okay. FLGT, that's today's play. They closed down 1% at $16.33. I had a feeling it was overextended. Okay, there was an article on it saying their PE ratio is too high, so the stock went down, which is a good buying opportunity. Okay, because it's want you to put on your stock list. AMC came out with news. They'll be reopening some of their theaters. Go ahead and read up the news on your own time, your own term. Please do your research on these companies. All right, the stock closed up 18% on that news on Friday. They're currently sitting at 351. The volume on the day on Friday, a whopping and eye-popping 268 million. This should not be ignored. All right, their average volume is 41 million. All right, so you tell me. The next stop on the day's play on Friday, CBAT. They're up 50% in the pre. Good continuation. All right, keep a stock on that one. In today's play, we have IDEX. IDEX is back. I featured this stock on June 9th at around 70 cents. It ran all the way to 398 in a couple of weeks. IDEX. They're up 25% in the pre at 124. So go into Yahoo Finance, go under statistics. Okay. See what's going on with the fundamentals here. Thank you for watching. Dave Natch. I'm out.